Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In our first video, we have learned the diagram of neuron. Thank you for your love and support for my first video. In this video lesson, we will learn how to make the diagram of eye. We know that the cross section of eye show three layers, which is sclera, choroid and retina. Let's begin our diagram making the first layer. Take compass and make big outer circle. After drawing outer circle, make another inner circle just below the first circle. To make the front part of the eye, add another two circles at one side of the first two big circle, neither too small nor too big to show the cornea. Now take an eraser and erase the unwanted portion from the circles as shown in the video. Also erase some portion in the back from first two circles. To make the second layer of the eye, add third circle, leaving some part in front and back which was erased. To make the third layer of the eye, which is retina, draw one horizontal dotted line first. Using compass, make the fourth circle, leaving the gaps as shown in the video. Draw a small arc in the marked area to show the yellow spot. Draw a slightly curved line in the gap behind the eye to show the optic nerve. In the front part of choroid layer, make iris and ciliary body. Now it's time to draw the oval lens. After drawing lens, make small lines or suspensory ligament from the ciliary body. To complete the diagram, make small lines in the inner layer of the eye. Also draw some lines to show the optic nerve. We have completed the diagram part. Now you can fill the eye with some colors. That's your choice. To save time during exam, no need to apply colors during the exam. Here I have applied some colors in the diagram. After filling the choroid layer and retina with red and yellow color, don't forget to make the conjunctiva at the front part of the eye. Now the second important step of the diagram is left, which is labeling the different parts of the eye. you.